got called to this heat pump. Two local installers have been out, changed some parts, system hasn't worked. One of them said it needed a new heat pump. So after testing it, it's the start capacitors. Pretty much one of the first tests you do really if the heat pump's not firing up. So we've measured across there, there's nothing, so we measure across this one, and it's quite difficult to do sometimes with one hand, so I'll do across there. Got a good contact. So you've got 49, so 50 microfarads plus or minus 5%. That's pretty much good. So here we are. Let's get it installed to see if it works.